So I have these SVE control arms, and one of the bushings has disintegrated, oblonged, kind of got destroyed. So I'm replacing both control arms with some Maximum Motorsports. They're 3-piece replacement bushings. So I'm replacing the stock SVE control arm bushings with the Maximum Motorsports 3-piece. So we're going to put these in. I don't know what these are made out of. I think the website says natural rubber, but I'm not sure what these things are. They kind of feel tough, but it might be rubber. I mean, these are in decent shape, but I actually like the Maximum Motorsports better because they have this hard plastic piece in the center for when you're going straight. It doesn't flex the urethane, but the urethane is on the side for articulation when the suspension moves. It's soft enough on the side to move, but hard in the middle for straight line, so it doesn't compress. But with these arms, they kind of have like a little lip to them, so I'm going to round those off, and then the Zerk fitting that's going through, I'm going to flatten that to inside so the centerpiece doesn't tear up the, and then the hole inside is kind of has pieces of metal chunks, so I'm going to deburr those, take all this junk out. But mean, I'm never going to use these Zerk fittings, so if the spring and ball pops out, I mean, I'm never going to be using them. Because that plastic piece, that center piece is going to be blocking it. I guess, unless you wanted to force it in there. But all of it's smooth. It's not going to cut into the new bushings. Okay, and as you can see, it's pretty deburred. No sharp edges or anything in there. So I'm just using the Prothane grease that comes with it, with the new bushings. Just as a light coat. Centerpiece, the hard plastic. And then next, the third bushing. I'm going to put a lid on the inside too, here in the center bushing, for the metal sleeve that goes in. There's even some differences with the, like this metal sleeve. These are the SVE ones, and you can see that there's quite a bit of difference. This is 2 inches and 730. This is 2,720, and then the Maximum Motorsports like 2,911. So that just shows you it doesn't fit correctly inside the rear end or the body side, the chassis side. Jeez. So with those in, you can even total width of it. Two inches, 9, and like 21. On the stock side, the SVE side. Is a lot less. 2 inches, 7, and 15. And that helps inside the car, because that's going to take up, it's going to be tighter inside the chassis part. Here's the rear end. And you can see that kind of wiggles around. Now these control arms are a couple years old, but I mean that's crazy. And we put the M&M bushings, and like they just don't want to go in. Tight fit, so that's what you want. So I might have to, there it goes. But that's what you want, you know? And I think, because those tabs got compressed from the old, you know, the sleeve, I have to pry those open so it'll fit correctly now. Yep, so that's the Maximum Motorsports 3-piece control arms. They only have one for the Fox. It's their replacement for the M&M arms. Works with the SVE arms. That's a lot better quality. But, alright, thanks.